Today we were visiting Wheeler Historic Farm, located at 6351 South 900 East Murray, Utah. The hours are Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the park hours are open every day, dawn to dusk. And you can walk around the park and the farm for free. There is some things that you need that they charge for, but everything that you see me walking around here is free. So looking at these animals is free. This bunny rabbit. And this nice little calf. So it's fun to see all the animals. I think this is a lot of fun if you have young kids. They love to see the animals. And they can do the wagon rides. I think that's something they did charge for. But to see these horses and the other animals, they don't charge anything for that. So it's just a beautiful place. It's 75 acres and it's a working farm. And here's Mr. Cow. And there's like old trucks and old tractors. So you can actually come and have a picnic here and enjoy looking at the animals and going on the trails. I'll show a trail that's really cool that you can go through. So as you can see, it's just a super cool farm, and it's just fun to walk around. And right here, I guess at a certain time they milk cows, the ones that we saw before, and I guess you would sit here and you could watch them milk the cows. And there's signs that say do not feed the animals, but these kids, I guess they're not old enough to read, but their parents didn't tell them that they shouldn't feed the animals. But they still had fun petting them and giving them leaves. I don't know if the leaves are very good to give them, these horses, but yeah, there's a sign that says don't feed the animals. And this little donkey from Shrek. And in here they keep old tractors, so you can see these two old tractors out front. And inside there's more old tractors. So it's just kind of cool to see these. Especially if you've never been on a farm. So it is an actual working farm, so
yes,
they use all this equipment. And some of it looks pretty old. But it's pretty cool. It's fun to look at. And over by the horse field, there's a little trail here. That was super peaceful. It was just fun to go through it. They had it on the other side. They have a picnic table, so you could, I guess you could have a picnic if that spot's not taken. But it's a great little spot, and it's just near where those horses were. You'll see as we get to the end of this, you can see where more or less that it is. But I love little trails like this, and it's just fun to walk and peaceful. And now we're coming to the end of the trail, so it's just a short little trail, but it's fun to go in there and walk around. And where we saw the horses, this is the other side of where we saw the horses in the field by the cows, and you can see right here. Some hay for the horses to eat. But I would highly recommend visiting this place if you're in Salt Lake, Utah, and especially if you have a family, and just go out here and just see everything, walk around. It's just super peaceful. And then on the weekends, on the summer, they have a farmer's market. That's what me and my wife came to see. And as you can see over to the right here, they were already cleaning up. I would show it to you, but they were already starting to clean it up. But it's a pretty nice farmer's market where they sell everything from honey to veggies to meat, and clothes and things like that.
Oh, see, yeah.
And right here, they're just cleaning up the farmer's market. They just go from the morning till the afternoon, and then they leave. We actually bought some honey, local honey. It's kind of pricey, but I don't know, it's really good honey. And here's another trail that you can take. And there's a man, he was fishing off to the right, and he was catching some fish. But it's just fun to walk around. Like I said, it's like 75 acres, so it's pretty big. And it's fun for the whole family, and I hope you enjoyed the video.